Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oni. If you are new here, thanks for joining. If you're an avid viewer of hair growth videos on YouTube, then you must have heard about RiceWater. There's a lot of mixed information out there about how to use and make RiceWater. RiceWater originated from the Yao Women in China who use RiceWater to grow their hair. These women have super shiny, healthy and long hair. In today's video, I'll be showing you the only way that you should be making RiceWater and the only way that you should be using RiceWater to grow your hair. But before we jump in guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, this is my rice that I'll be using for this treatment. I am using half cup of rice. You can use any type of rice. You can use brown rice, any type of rice that you have. The first thing we are going to do is that we are going to wash our rice, rinse it properly to remove any impurity. I'll be adding water. Wash your rice properly to remove any impurity. You can see. So next I will drain the water into a bowl after washing the rice. I made a mess. So this is the water. Next I will transfer the rice into a jar. So I'm using a spoon to transfer the rice into a jar. So next guys, I will add 1 cup of water. And seal in an airtight container. So at this point, I will shake properly. So this is our plain rice water. You can use this plain rice water as your hair rinse to rinse your hair, and you can also store it for 24 hours. For 24 hours so that the rice will ferment, and you can use the fermented rice water for your hair. So I greatly recommend that you store for 24 hours and use as your hair rinse. This is because the fermented rice water is more beneficial to your hair. You can add orange peel or essential oil to mask the stinky smell of the fermented rice water. Fast forward to 24 hours and our rice is already fermented. So the next thing to do is to sieve and transfer to our spray bottle. So first I will sieve, then transfer into a spray bottle. The fermented rice water is more beneficial to your hair compared to the plain rice water. The fermented rice water helps to replenish necessary proteins and keratin in your hair, thus helping your hair to increase the growth rate. So I have this. I will transfer to my spray bottle. Fermented rice water also helps your hair to reduce hair fall. You should not let the rice sit more than 24 hours. And you can add orange peels to mask the stinky smell of the rice if you're not comfortable with the smell. So guys, I decided to film this part to explain more on how to use rice water on your hair. So I have braided my hair into this beautiful protective style that I love. This is my spray bottle. I had to change the cover because the one I was using before is no longer working. First, I rinsed my hair with warm water and I conditioned it because I noticed whenever I shampoo before using rice water, it leaves my hair dry. So depending on your hair type, shampooing before spraying your hair with rice water can leave your hair dry. So after spraying your rice water, you can leave it for 10 to 30 minutes and rinse. I will ensure that my hair soaks with the rice water, my scalp. Rice water is very good for your hair. It balances your hair pH. It promotes hair growth. It nourishes your scalp. It increases the shine of your hair. Like the Yao Women in China that use this, if you check out their hair is super long and shiny and full. So guys, I am going to leave this overnight and wash it out in the morning and put on my wig and head to work. So I will massage it in properly and ensure that every part of my hair gets the rice water. I will ensure that my hair soaks with the rice water, my scalp. So guys, rice water should be your number one remedy for hair growth, but it is really underestimated. So this is the end of this treatment. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Please subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you have any tip that you want to share with someone who wants to grow their hair, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.